Today, we are going to talk about something very important: how to learn English effectively. Not with complicated grammar, not with boring textbooks, but with methods that actually train your brain. So relax, listen carefully, and maybe your whole idea about learning English will change today. Part 1: The biggest mistake learners make. Most learners think English is a school subject, so they study like this: memorize grammar rules, memorize long vocabulary lists, translate every sentence into their own language. But language does not work like math. Language is a skill, like swimming, like driving, like playing music. You cannot learn swimming by reading a book about water. You must get in the pool. English works the same way. You must use it. Many learners spend years studying, but almost no time speaking. So their English becomes passive English. They understand a lot, but they cannot use it. Fluency is not built by knowledge. Fluency is built by practice. Part 2: The 4 pillars of learning English. To learn English effectively, you need 4 pillars. If one is missing, the system becomes weak. Pillar 1: Listening. Your brain learns language by hearing patterns. The more you listen, the more your brain recognizes how English works. Listen to English podcasts, English stories, YouTube lessons, conversations. You don't need to understand everything. Just keep listening. Your brain is learning even when you feel confused. Pillar 2: Reading. Reading grows vocabulary naturally, not with memorization, but with context. When you read stories or simple articles, you meet words again and again, and repetition creates memory. Pillar 3: Speaking. This is where most learners fail. They listen, they read, but they don't speak. Speaking activates the language. It turns passive English into active English. Even simple sentences help. I am tired today. I like this podcast. I am learning English. Now, interactive moment. Pause and repeat one of these sentences out loud, even if it feels weird. Yes, your brain is learning to produce language now. So let's repeat together. I am tired today. I like this podcast. I am learning English. Pillar 4: Repetition. This is the secret. repetition, not intensity, not perfection, repetition. When your brain hears and uses the same patterns many times, they become automatic. And automatic speaking is fluency. Part 3: The Simple Daily System. Here is a simple 30-minute daily system. Step 1: Listening. 10 minutes. Listen to a podcast, a story, or a conversation. Don't translate everything. Focus on rhythm, tone, and pronunciation. Step 2: Reading. 10 minutes. Read something simple, short articles, stories, or dialogues. Underline words you don't know, but keep moving. The brain learns by exposure, not by stopping too much. Step 3: Speaking. 5 minutes. Speak alone, out loud. Describe your day. I woke up at 7. I drank coffee. I worked today. Pause and try your own sentence now. It may feel strange at first, but your brain is learning to produce English. Step 4: Vocabulary activation. 5 minutes. Pick 3 or 4 new words and make sentences. Example: word excited. I am excited today. She is excited about her job. We are excited to travel. Micro challenge. Now pause and make your own sentence with excited. Even broken English is stronger English. Part 4: The Secret Problem. Fear. Many learners stop speaking because of fear. Fear of mistakes, fear of embarrassment, fear of sounding stupid. Mistakes are not the enemy. Silence is. Children learn languages quickly. Why? Because they make thousands of mistakes and nobody stops them. They keep speaking. They experiment. Their brain learns faster. Fluency is grown in imperfect conversations, not perfect ones. Final message. If you want to improve your English, remember this formula. Listen more, read more, speak more, and repeat more. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need thousands of words. You only need consistent practice. 30 minutes a day can change everything. 3 months from now, imagine you are having an English conversation. You don't panic. Words flow naturally, and you realize, wow, I can actually speak English. So start today. Speak today, even if your voice shakes, even if your grammar is not perfect, because speaking is a bridge between understanding and fluency. I'm Maury and I do believe you can do this. See you in the next episode.